relent.
No, my Afi.
Yeah,
if me uproot my life for you, and you not tolerate,
you can't give me a chance, mama. Like, whatever.
You can't give me a blight.
Whatever it may be.
Whatever. You can't give me a blight.
I go with this side of Sports TV, like my best friend a pre me. You get me? I say,
and I one chance to get? One?
Obviously, I'm not married people, you know. But if God's willing to find somebody, I say it reached to a point I'm married and she's successful. Yeah, man, follow back her, man. How you talk?
Follow back her?
Road manager.
Like you know, but you have to come, and if you not come, then toodles. You get me? I say that's it.
Damn.
Yeah, bro. Think about the biggest sacrifice you ever make for a girl.
The biggest sacrifice.
Well, we know Bombrush me though.
They carry less than they should. Greetings, lovely people. Welcome to the very first episode of the No Bombrush podcast. You know, you're here with your boy Joe Mar.
Yeah, Rush. Yeah. But bro, that intro, you sound like you're in a Bombrush, right? Like, greetings, lovely people. I interview them. I speak to. Where are you? Public speaking right now?
So wait there. I'm speaking to hopefully.
You sound like you're supposed to up here and get a motivational speech right now.
What about this comes?
Can we welcome people to the No Bombrush podcast and tell them what we're all about?
So, we've spoken about this on our sports channel.
Mm-hmm.
You know, this or that sports TV. Go and go check out our content. We do a lot of good stuff. But before me and Rush are sports fans, you know, we're human beings. Just
yeah.
You know, we go through regular human being problems, but we do love sports.
Mm-hmm.
So what we are going to do in this series is take some real world sporting scenarios and apply it to life.
I think it's real life.
Yes, sir.
Situation, but we're gonna talk about it. We're not leave no stone unturned because we're going to talk about everything.
Everything.
And the thing is to people, yes, this is on this side at Sports TV for the first couple of episodes.
Yeah.
But I want you guys, in fact, I will create a channel. So people, there will be a link. Hit the link and subscribe to No Bombrush Podcast. Mm-hmm. The podcast will be released on that channel very soon. Yeah. But for now, you know, we have built up the steam, bro. So we're going to over yourself a little bit. You see me, bro? But we have to get right into it.
For sure.
Like the loose chatting. You see me? Because I'm not really nice Bombrush. Anyways, you want to know about the name first?
What,
I'll come up with the name, bro.
Alright, so first and foremost, it was, I think it was last year or this year. You know, so the beginning of this year. And, you know, life do what life do, bro.
Life do more than what life do.
Yeah, life do what life do. And, you know, so we got through it, you know, as a big man. We have got through it. Mm. And January hit, in 2022, I said, bro, you know what? This year, I'm not getting a no Bombrush, right? I just take it as it comes.
I know, right?
And we're starting a no Bombrush and the thing kind of start working.
It's connecting our way.
We meet some lovely people, you get me, I have some good experience. You know, badness come down, bro.
Yeah. Well, we know Bombrush me though, because you know, some people, I hear it and they don't really understand what I talk about. People, it is just not caring too much. And not caring more than you should care about something. Yeah, something particular.
Caring less than you should.
Care less than you should.
Sometimes.
That's what I talk about.
Yeah, no,
so right now, we're not in the Bombrush. You look at your blue one.
To be honest,
phone. To be honest,
the Bombrush shirt still, no?
Yeah.
My shirt, both.
Somebody have just a shirt there, no?
Chick magnet.
I don't lie.
We that.
What, bro? Let's get into it. There's no Bombrush podcast.
Me Rush, chick magnets.
Alright, ready? Alright, so the topic for the first episode of the No Bombrush podcast, bro. Should a woman, a joke, when nobody attack me.
Bro, I was literally about to say, why you so misogynistic? Like, we are talking about sports spouses.
Yeah.
You don't have to be. Are they only successful athletes?
I draw with somebody. Anyways, should we even not say spouses, bro? Should people give up their careers or their goals and dreams if their partner becomes successful? Should they? Should a woman decide to, here, I'm a housewife now, if we're a man a top baller? I should a man decide to, here, why you are the breadwinner, mama? You turn the husband, you know? Yeah, you how you feel about that, bro?
Man, it's a lot to digest, you know. There are various different angles that one could take, you know. But we see examples of this all the time where, you know, a man, you know, have a woman from a long time, man. To be honest, isn't the aim, bro, as a man? People don't judge me. Isn't the aim, bro, as a man, to ensure say a woman now to lift a finger? To be fair.
That's what you want.
Yeah, so you reach a certain position in life, you know, say, you know, you make billions of dollars from the sports thing. You just look and say, oh, mama.
Sit down. Sit down, man. Humble yourself, Benji.
Yeah. Well, I'm not really go as far as to say that.
No, but watch it now.
Watch it now. Stay, isn't it? We got to make sure you say the pick them good. Make sure you say, yo, Nice rice and peas and chicken, isn't it, bro?
Boy, you're trying to say it in the best way possible.
But remember,
You know, offend nobody.
No, watch it, bro. As an athlete, you go out there, get there, train 2 times a day, you do it supposed to. You get me? So, although, to be fair, if you make that much money as a successful athlete, you can have a chef. You can have a helper for help you cook. But,
Helpers.
But, bro, my opinion on the matter, to be fair, is if she wants to stay home, she stays home. But, you know, if she wants to get her own career, as long as it doesn't come at the behest to my success, seeing that I am the athlete, I am the star player, then go for it.
Bro, I'm gonna personalize it. Because the thing is, ultimately it comes down to the person if they want to do that.
So,
but I feel like
successful athlete, woman, Rush?
So the thing now, I'm not saying bedroom, Bombrush should
Where's the abs?
leg of that dog. You are going now. I feel like if you're with someone and they become they are earning so much more money than you that they can take care of everything. I feel like you should fashion your life and your lifestyle around them. Honestly.
For sure.
So me have to personalize it.
So regardless of sports.
Regardless of sports. So me there with the moms. You get me? I said,
you have a moms and she make the big bucks.
Yeah, me there with the moms. No, I said me I make the big bucks. So you know what I said? Me I personalize. So me I make the big bucks. And
so like how you're personalized, is it that you're in a situation where you make the big bucks?
I'm not in a situation where I make the big bucks. But cool, no? We think about say I am the professional athlete and me I make the whole of the money. Right?
But you're not about that.
No.
So then, you'll be the professional athlete. You yourself, you can't kick a football.
And that you try to say?
Basically.
I think I try to say I'm a professional baller. But you know, I'm a baller, the best footballer on YouTube. But anyway, I have to finish my scenario, bro. Anyways, I'm a professional athlete, but my life or my career now requires me to be in Scotland. And my wife is a wife, obviously. You don't know where a boy want to get married and them things.
Simple that.
You see me? My wife, she's a teacher. You see me? I say?
Teach.
Feel like me have a wife a teacher.
Science subject.
Yeah, like a chemistry or physics, bro.
Yeah,
I know what that means, you know? I don't know the people that interpret that.
No, but watching them, bro.
My wife that teach.
Remember good no man, you. Charlie to drop the standard, no time, bro.
No time at all.
So if you talk to a wife, she's a teacher. You get me?
She have to teach something.
I gotta teach physics. I gotta teach chemistry.
Yeah.
Alright, continue.
Yeah.
Bro.
So me there in Scotland now, and mom say, here, she have to stay a yard and she have to teach physics. I'm gonna make sure you know so that cannot work. You get me? I say you need to know say yo, I'm here pulling weight right now. So fashion your lifestyle on man. I think it's only fair. And just the same, if I'm with a woman and she is so successful, whether athlete or not, but say she's an athlete for this case, and her job, she playing the WNBA, and she needs to be in America, and I can be in America. I'm gonna fashion my lifestyle around that and whatever I am.
Alright. So
me have a move, bro.
Because what if her passion is teaching physics to grade 10 students? You grade 10 Jamaican students. You said that.
Boy, you're specific with the passion though.
Wait no. This or that sports team. You know, we are a growing YouTube channel. We're not there yet. We get there now. We're not there yet. And she just got drafted number 4 in WNBA to the Phoenix Mercury. And she said, you got to move to Phoenix. There's no more reggae boy games, there's no more this, there's no more that.
Oh.
You just up and leave, she make $70,000 a year.
$70,000 a year can't up and leave, bro.
But we ain't making $70,000
yeah, but
$70,000
a year can't up and leave.
People, in order for me can make $70,000 a year, oh God, man, hit the subscribe button.
Yeah, we already know about
Share the video. You get me?
And go subscribe to Bombrush podcast YouTube channel. But something gonna come better than that, bro.
No, but to be honest,
she make a meal a year.
But if she just get drafted,
she make some serious money.
But if she just get drafted in the WNBA, chance that she's gonna
70 grand? 70 grand now, I'm up my route up my life and cut. 70 grand can't manage it to a week.
No, we ain't not convert 70 grand.
No, I thought we were living in America. If we're living in America, $70,000 a year can't manage. Me, so we have to split it in half, 35 for me, 35 for she, and so we have that. Because then now, I must make a fashion my life, bro. $70,000 a year can't manage me and a woman, bro. Think about it. As a big man, and a juvenile.
As a big man.
Yeah, bro, I remember saying, I want a youth see me, I say, that can't manage you. But say she make 200 grand, 300, 400 grand. You get her $500,000 a year. I'm gone, bro.
So you're gonna live this
I'm gone, bro. Yeah, dog. I'm cut, bro. If she can't manage it. But guess what now? Remember
say, me hurt me.
Bro, remember say a wife.
Yo, dog, right now, we say me need a surgery. You wanna see how people wicked
so
and cut, bro?
You're cut?
You saw the man just up and left this side that's West TV because a little bit of money, bro. So, yo, man, I tell you, dog.
And not just the money. Alright. But that's serious though. But that's serious.
Yeah.
There are a few things in life that I really want.
Some man a snake in a
Well, I
glass.
know. I make it make sense, people. There are a few things in life that I really want. A family is one. Then I want to be a successful businessman is one. You get me? I say I want to have, I say family, so kids, you see me? And, you know, a few other things that obviously those take priority over the other things. But I feel like to have a family, bro, like it really edge out the career for me. You get me? I say, so if I had to make a choice, would I choose to have a nice family, bro? If I can like give up my career, not that I wouldn't be making money or I wouldn't be successful in some other way. You see me? I say, but the career that I want, say I want to be an astronaut or I want to be a teacher. If I give up that to be a mechanic or whatever, fine if I'm still. Yeah. And the thing is, bro, life is unfair.
So you don't give up your passion and your dreams for the love of your life.
Yeah, bro.
You're more passionate about family.
Bro, me a sweet boy, no? You hear that? I mean,
you hear that, ladies?
Yeah, but here what I go on, don't tell no I don't want no ladies, so the ladies don't need to know that. You know.
What do you mean you don't want
I am good. I'm good where I am. You tell me, you know.
What the question?
If you would have the moms, and the mom stays so mom's gonna move to Australia. She have the job where they pay her $500,000 US a year.
If me earning enough to decide not to watch TV.
Be honest, bro. Be honest. Are you leaving?
I was married. Why?
Oh, well, I want you for the way too.
And she pregnant. If she pregnant, then I have to go, bro.
So she not pregnant.
Why? So we can't do long distance.
No.
Why we can't
do long distance?
Why?
You can choose to do long distance, but that just means I say no, I'm not up and move. I'm not give up my career for you.
Chances are for the long distance, you know, feel it one way or another.
Ask you. So you tell me now. You tell me now. You're not cut. And I mean, I call snake and sell out, you know.
No, but what's your style, bro?
Bro,
how you would have feel if me just say, yo, bro, I'm gone if this or that sports team now. I would know say this or that sports team.
But what you know?
If I rush alone, it nah gonna be.
You can't say anything you want to say, people. The boy I buttons in my pocket here, bro. You get me? I say. Alright? If you up and gone to Australia, bro, the whole of the buttons in my pocket. But here we go, bro. The thing is, other people, I'm sure other people disagree with what we're saying. They are going to say, yo, focus on your career, don't give up your career for no man, don't give up your career for no woman.
Yeah, because remember good enough, bro. You see, human being
poisonous.
Corruption. So you might up and left this or that sports TV and you left for me all pre-link cut now, man, and a friend
and
where
she
you
drop
can't
up
come
on
back
face.
and she drop it on your face.
What am I do now?
Come back, yo, bro, watch your style, the dog. I'm going to crash your crib so till I can get myself back together now.
And if you run me now, how am I feel away? I can't pray you.
Sure, yeah.
I can't pray you.
So that's the conundrum that you find yourself in.
And I would understand if people say that. I'd get it.
Yeah.
Personally, I would not do that. I would root my life up for the love of my life. I honestly would do it. And the thing is, bro, they are going to say, oh, that's unfair. You shouldn't ask anybody to do that. Fine. But the thing is, bro, life is unfair. In a lot of situations, you just have to do what you think is unfair to have what you want, ultimately, isn't it? So if you have to compromise a little bit, if you even have to sacrifice, because that is a sacrifice, I would make the sacrifice. I'm not going to people. Tell me, what would you do? Would you give up your career, your life, your goals, your dreams, your aspirations, all of it? Your family at home to be with the love of your life,
honest,
if they're successful.
To be honest, bro, if I'm a wife, my youth, I go my wife. Bro. You get me? I say, even a girl, yeah. I'm a wife now. Isn't it? Obviously, I'm not married people, you know. But if God's willing to find somebody, I say, it reached to a point I'm married and she's successful. Yeah, I'm follow back her, man. What you talk about?
Follow back her?
Road manager.
All if she not make the big bucks like that?
No, but then that don't make no sense. This or that sports TV, then she follow back on me.
So yeah, so this or that sports TV make big bucks?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Because people don't want to subscribe. I like up the thing, isn't it?
Mm.
But yeah, bro, so it's weird. You know, it's but to bring it back to the athletes now, we see athletes like, for example, Savannah James. You know, she's a wife first, but because of the opportunity that, you know, she has been gifted, you know, to be the husband of the greatest to be the wife of the greatest basketball.
Cha. What guns?
To be the wife of the greatest basketball player of all time, and it allows her the autonomy to focus on philanthropy. You know, she's into like giving back. She's into a lot of charities. You know, she can spend the time to work on her own businesses. And most of all, she's always there with Bryce, Branny, and Savannah. And Zuri, sorry. She's always there. And that's just a plus, you know. So family is important.
Bro, I feel like she don't have a choice, bro. If you are with LeBron James,
Whoa.
I'm gonna say something right now.
I wouldn't go as far as to say
listen to me now.
that.
Obviously, she have a choice. Everybody have a choice. But may I say, if you are with LeBron James, bro, and LeBron James is making, the moment LeBron James coming at the NBA is a multi-millionaire.
Yeah.
You can't tell LeBron James you want to be a teacher in a wherever you want to live, Bridget. Like you know, but you have to come, and if you never come, then toodles. You get me? I said that's it.
Damn.
Yeah, bro. Think about it, no man.
You cold, dog.
And I said cold, but really and truly, I don't think Savannah James, she really have a choice, bro. I think she look at it and I'm pretty sure the 19-year-old Savannah James are. However, they were together in high school. That's what I say. So the 17-year-old, pretty sure she had fair dreams, bro. Probably want to be a doctor. Probably want to be something. But she look from big LeBron James, the chosen one. Mama, you don't have a choice, mama. You don't have a choice, and the choice you have to make is not even long. She have a choice, but long distance in it. She can't stay in Ohio and the dogs there. Alright, well, him get drafted to Ohio State, so she could have stayed. But when him ready to leave and go to Miami, she couldn't say she had to stay, brother. She never have a choice, honestly.
Alright. That segues perfectly into another situation. Dwayne Wade and Gabriel Union. You know, that's like a different angle that we can look at this. Because there were certain points in Dwayne Wade's career where Gabriel was like, I ain't going there.
No, that different.
Right? I'm staying in Miami.
No, but that different.
I'm not going to Cleveland with you.
They got together after they were both already successful. You see me? If one is so much more successful than the other.
No, but the thing is, both of them, I would say, are top of them craft. Dwayne Wade, one of the top basketball players in the league. Gabriel, one of the top in the entertainment sector outside of basketball, actor, whatever. And she was definitely not willing to uproot her life. And obviously, Dwayne Wade was not going to retire to go and be with Gabriel Union. You get what I'm saying? So isn't there a lifestyle, isn't there a way where one can chase their aspiration while having a successful spouse and they both still make it work?
No, for sure, bro. And the thing is, the more successful both persons are, the more likely it is to compromise. Right? So think about Gabriel Union. If Gabriel Union was a budding actor or she was just starting, and Dwayne Wade was already a champion in the NBA, a multi-millionaire, then you can't tell me, say, like, she wouldn't have a choice in that case. But already she was an actor. A successful actor at that. And then already Dwayne Wade was a successful basketball player. So they're more likely to make it work. Dwayne Wade can't look upon her and say, yo, mama, forward. Or go on by your business. And she can't look upon him and say, forward, go. None of them have that leverage yet. But if one is not even close to the other, then Dwayne would have that leverage over her, she would have that leverage over her.
Yeah, but to be fair, in my opinion,
so the more successful,
in my opinion,
the more likely.
You realize what was the first option that I drew for when you asked the question? If she got to Australia, what was the first thing I drew for?
A long distance?
Yeah. So I stay here and I make it work with this or that sports TV, and because she's so successful, you know, she fly me out when I have time.
Bro, long distance can't work forever, dude. Can't work forever. At some point, something has to give. And what would give? Would you be able to give? May I tell you straight up, I would give. May I tell you, there's nothing, we did not think about it.
I would try my best to find a compromise.
Bro, what compromise? Is it a long distance relationship or you have to move and go live with your woman?
Not necessarily, bro. Yes, I say it can be a long distance relationship. I will make it work.
And that means that the answer is no. I will not give up my dreams and my goals. I will not give up my career for my partner. That's essentially what you're saying. And I'm saying I would. You see me?
Yo, I'm saying, bro, like...
And the thing is, bro, if you personalize it and say this or that sports TV, obviously it could still work because we're on the internet. You don't need to be at the same place all the time. We could travel all that. So this is a particular situation. Talk about other careers, bro. Like, if you live in Jamaica and you are...
As you said, you said a teacher.
Yeah, say you're a teacher in Jamaica. That would not necessarily translate to everywhere else in the world.
Yeah.
Right. That different. You get me? I said that there's no compromise. Like, you have to leave or you have to stay. You see me? So that's why. And bro, yes, it is unfair to ask someone to leave their life, everything that they were building in one country, and say, yo, leave and come fashion your life around me. But I think if the person is worth it, do it. But then imagine you do all of that now. You do all of that, and she drop you like a hot bread. What then do you do? Or you think if somebody... No, I'm going to change the question.
What's your style? I'm going to give you work, bro.
Yeah.
I'm going to give you work. I'm going to tell you, so you can come back and edit your channel for other things in a week and them something.
Left that. Anyways, me I say, if you uproot your life and you move to the next country for someone, right? Yeah. Does that person owe you?
Hell yeah, for sure.
Is it that person owe you?
Yeah, man.
And that person can't leave you?
I'm not gonna say can't.
No, man, I feel like them for tolerate a little bit more, man.
Definitely.
I feel like them for tolerate a little bit more, man.
Definitely have to, you get me what I'm saying?
You have to understand, man.
Couple blind, definitely have to.
You have to give me a couple blind.
Yeah.
I have to give a couple blind, same way.
I don't know. You're not giving no more blind. Then I get it.
If she approved for your life, for you have to give her a couple blind, no matter what she do.
You have to give
no matter what she do.
As in, bro, you have some deal breakers for sure. You have some times when things go too far. But things what might have been deal breakers before, you might have to relent.
No, might you have it.
Yeah,
if me uproot my life for you, and you not tolerate.
You can't give me a chance, mama. Like, whatever.
You can't give me a blind.
Whatever it may be.
Whatever. You can't give me a blind.
But go with this side that sports TV, like my best friend are pre me. You get me? I say,
and one chance we get? One? You ever tell me that before? Me never signed a contract. Them. I tell you that, bro.
Yeah, I forget that, blind.
So yeah, I feel like say you have to be more tolerant to certain things in a relationship. If someone
uproot them
your whole life, bro, and then what does that person go back to though? Like
for example, and to bring it back to Bran and Savannah, like, yo, this woman has been, queen of his castle. You get me? I said she run him household while him there. Like him there, I take him a train for 6 hours a day, and sleep for 10 hours a day, right? And then for the other couple of hours a day, probably recover. Mm-hmm. So like literally probably 16 to 20 hours of his day is dedicated to taking care of himself. Whether it be on the court, working on his game, sleeping, or recovering, getting his body ready for going forward. In addition to the fact that he's very busy, so he's also a big businessman. So whenever he's not on the court, he's conducting some type of business, right? Mm-hmm. So I bet she has to experience countless lonely nights, right? Countless times when she's not given the attention she wants. Countless PTA meetings that she has to go by herself. Like that's the type of thing that she has to deal with, right? Mm-hmm. And she's there and she do all of that. She not complain. If she falter or blunder in whatever way, in whatever aspect, like Bran officer, alright, mama. Just yeah, a chance. Allow me to tell.
I don't know that. I'm with this thing. Yeah, bro. You kind of owe the person. You have to tolerate certain things. You have to be more tolerant to certain things. I want to go one place, but I'm not going to go. Like, what should the person tolerate? Because I really want to start getting to the specifics of it. But I feel like I know where I talk.
I think, bro, you have a myriad of things that one can quote unquote tolerate in a relationship. You get me? I say, but bro, we have so many more episodes of this.
Yeah, so we didn't have a stretch. This is the first one. What I done, bro? I feel like it was a good one. People, tell us if you enjoyed this. It won't be too long, obviously, because we can't hear so whole mother chatting. Bombrush like
literally in a Bombrush.
You see me? So we talk and then we're done and then I eat that.
Simple that.
You see me? People even it's a little bit it's freer than this or that sports TV.
This or that sports TV is a form of media house because that's something that we're attempting to build and take to a different level. We're attempting to be one of the most formidable sporting organizations, media companies in the country or in the world. That's something that we're aspiring to achieve. And the podcast is just a way for chill back and relax because
put up on the spot,
Talk to me now.
Put up on the spot, man.
Near.
But the biggest sacrifice ever make for a girl?
Biggest sacrifice ever make for a girl? Boy. What you saying, man? What me think? Because you have to make some sacrifice still, bro.
I'm going to go first, bro.
Alright, go on.
So I'm going to drive over, how many hours? I'm pretty sure I'm going to like over 24 hours of traveling for a girl, bro.
The one girl.
And when I do that, I talk about my sacrifice, money.
Cause you was spending she buy the tickets.
And me I spend. And guess what going on? I could have traveling, I could have put out the traveling. So I lost money to travel earlier.
Oh yeah.
You get me? I say, bro, I will talk about some money for money. So I feel like that was the biggest sacrifice. Worth it in the end. But yeah, bro.
Would you do it again?
No. Sorry.
Sorry.
No, bro. Bro. I drive from bus till my fool, brother.
Chaja.
You get me? I say plane ticket, I don't care how expensive it is. I spend my money and I buy my ticket. But yeah, bro, I'm traveling for over 24 hours, brother, for see mama.
Biggest sacrifice I've made. Bro, to be fair, is it that I haven't made that many sacrifices? Like,
You
obviously,
don't really live no life, bro. You don't live no life, juvenile.
obviously, I spend money, you get me, and say, but I don't really call that a sacrifice. Like, you know, I make, you know, a girl make she have nice things. You see me?
What would you say was a big deal?
And if
Biggest
she
deal.
need something, make she get it. But like in terms of sacrifices, bro.
The biggest thing you ever do for a girl?
See, in terms of my do for a girl,
Yeah, whatever it is. If it's not a sacrifice, then tell me something. Something where you get fair, something where you did have to, you know. It could be a sacrifice, but you tell me, what is the biggest thing you ever do for a girl?
as I say, bro, in terms of something that I sacrifice, like one time, favorite artist, you know.
Jaja, you call the name, Reggie, let them know.
Huh?
Let them know.
Oh, you said the artist?
Let them know.
Sorry, so when in Atlanta, bro.
Yeah.
You see me? Couple, I'll tell you the exact time. Couple years ago, it might be last year, it might be 3 years ago. You know, one of them time there. And next to that, you see me? Him for like 30 minutes away from me. In the 8th year of the home.
Anybody who know we know, so we're next to that.
Yeah, man, people, for the know Bombrush, you see me? I just threw the copyright now. Because we have some dapper than more.
I'm pretty sure we have a quote some dapper then.
You get, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure, bro.
Right?
But yeah, so the artist, the day of the 8th year, bro.
Minutes away?
Yeah, dog, like 25 minutes away. And the girl that I was speaking to at the time, she looked at me and she said, oh, she not feel it.
Don't go.
Don't go.
So you take program now?
Something like that. And subsequently, you know, things like that, the relationship never work out.
It crashed.
So it's like, me, I said, January star might not get to see the artists again, because the artists are grow, like, I get bigger and bigger. You get me, I said, at that time, like $50 for a ticket.
You could have afforded it and you could have gone.
Of course, we could afford it.
You held yourself back.
I have a car, everything, but Mama look for me and say, oh, she
don't go to that. What was it? What was the reason?
Comfort to art. To be fair, there were a few reasons. One being the fact that it was COVID time, and she was a bit paranoid. In addition to the fact that, you know, at next time's concert, it's like high energy, you know. People don't understand a dapper than concert.
Bro, what was the issue?
And me going there, because she was in Jamaica, I was in Atlanta at the time. Me going there might have led to, you know, fraternization with members of the opposite sex, and she probably was afraid of that happening. So she would have said, yo, I don't feel comfortable when you going to that concert. Keep in mind, bro, I've always wanted to see this artist perform, right?
We know.
And in America, there's a very good experience that was right there, bro, like right there. And even my cousins were offering to buy me the tickets, so on and so forth. Them say, oh, take the car, so the car key. Go on, go on, youth. Live your life.
And mom said no.
And mom said no. And obviously I wanted to go, but I was like, yo, mama said no, don't go.
So I look like some, I don't know, I'm curious still. I don't look like some simple way. I'm not business, Bridget. Call me what you want.
Call me what you want.
Do some things out of a woman, Bridget. I would do it again. Did I do it again? If a girl say, oh, she's not comfortable with you going to your favorite artist concert.
If I'm in a relationship to the extent of the one that I was in, and I felt as much for the person that I did feel for that person, then yeah. If she said don't go to the concert, where it's not go.
Jaja,
watch your style, you know, bro.
You don't do what me do? You don't travel about 24 hours because of your mom?
Boy, Rush. To be fair, you know, dog, for like a couple hours out of the ride, they made up on the phone and reason them, bro. And that's just a couple of hours out of the...
Bro, it wasn't easy at all.
Why?
You don't do it?
People, would you drive on the bus for like more than 24 hours to see a significant other? You know, and also in the comment section, tell us what's the biggest sacrifice you have made for your person. I'm curious to read these comments, bro. Just make me know. But yeah, bro, that probably had to be mine. You know, just give up the opportunity to go see the concert, see the artist in concert. It was the concert. The name of the concert was
Vent, probably Vent.
Probably Vent.
Although we date it at this point, I don't really care. Yeah, Bombrush, bro. It's whatever. It's about good if we run it up. More hear the people have to say.
Yeah, so that was it. But like in terms of other things, you know, as a big man, bro, you know, you work and you're making money.
Yeah, you spend some money, but everybody spend money.
Yeah.
So
I wouldn't call it a big sacrifice, because I don't think I've ever put myself in a position where I've left myself hungry so that she could eat.
Yeah.
I've never been in that
position. But you make moms feel good.
But I make moms feel good. So I'm not gonna say that.
No, man, at least that come with it. That come with it.
Yeah.
Like, forget things, but nothing wrong with that. You get me, I say, spending money.
Straight.
Yeah, but yeah. I weed that, bro. Nice little reasoning.
For sure.
You know,
bro.
people, it's a long time coming. This almost a decided sports TV, you know.
No
Bombrush podcast.
Yeah.
People, the link is in the description. I'll put the link in the info card. Click the link and subscribe to No Bombrush Podcast YouTube page.
Yeah, because eventually we're going to stop.
Posting this here.
Yeah, and people, if you want to see bloopers, like behind the scenes of the podcast, go to the No Bombrush Podcast YouTube channel to see the bloopers. So see the No Bombrush chattings before the No Bombrush Podcast.
And trust me, bro. Remember say, this you think it's a No Bombrush yet? I'm telling you see what going on before and after this. So some things we can't talk about.
So right now, go subscribe to No Bombrush Podcast.
Also subscribe to This Other Sports TV.
Yeah, subscribe to This Other Sports TV. You're gonna say share it to the people, and this is for sports. Obviously, this content is more niche directed to. Matter of fact, it's wider. Like even the people who even are This Other Sports people can watch this. You get me? And them can share it to them ladies, them can share it to them husband, them can share it to them kids, like 14, 15. What were age?
16.
16?
16.
Some episode 18?
Yeah, some episodes 18.
Yeah.
If you're younger than 16, I think you need to watch your talk about give up no career.
We're not studying a book.
Yeah, brother.
If you're not watching under 16 years, what the fuck? Just study a book, regardless of your age.
Yeah,
just study a book. But, so people, go to the No Bombrush Podcast. The link will be in the description. Check out the bloopers for episode 1. And eventually we'll be posting these full episodes on that channel. Yeah,
people, we are working on, man. This or that Sports TV, No Bombrush Podcast. Those are the two ventures. I want you guys to support us. Matter of fact, I want them to know what time it is, bro. But look, I don't know if you can see this.
Make sure it's not up on the screen.
I'm mommy that on the screen, man.
But may I say, bro, make
sure
it's
that on the screen, man.
I'm
mommy that on the screen, man. See it there? After 3 people, we are work. You see me? So, subscribe to the thing, like the channel, share the channel, leave a comment. We that, bro.
Yeah, my youth.
No Bombrush Podcast.
Episode number 1.
Yeah. Tell us if you like this, people. And stay tuned for more. We are out.
I lie?
Nah, man.